This is what I'm wearing today. Just a very simple Nicola heat tech inside, and pairing it with this facade pattern full leather jacket. For the bottom, I'm just wearing my favorite jeans from Freckle. This is my outfit for the day, and I'm running late, so I'm gonna end it right here. Bye. It's just a swap. Do you need to sit up?
Do I need to sit up?
Well, is this comfortable?
I'm just nervous.
What are you wearing on your skin?
Just some.
It's so like glowy. It's so shiny. Which one?
It's a Korean brand. Risha.
Risha? Oh my god.
Why?
That was the first brand I bought skincare from.
Wait, I'm just drawing.
I'll let you know when I start. Okay,
Okay, I might actually cry.
don't cry, it's gonna be very short. I'm gonna be done soon. 1, 2, 3.
I regret.
You look like you just came back from jail.
It's been so long, you've been so tough, you've kept it up, you've kept me up, been standing tall, keeping strong, and I'm doing well, I'm eating more, and though you might think that you're someone, and though you've been in your time, you need someone to love.
Good morning. I'm going into the office today and just wanted to quickly show you my office outfit. I'm wearing a very simple black Muji turtleneck sweater inside and pairing it with an oversized black blazer from Freckle. For bottom, I'm still wearing the same pair of jeans from Freckle. I literally wear this every day. I feel a bit embarrassed talking about it now. So yeah, this is what I am wearing today, and I should head out. This is the last time that I'll see this room in carpeted flooring because my renovator is coming in and swapping it out with kind of like a concrete look. Very excited because I'm going to use this room as like a photo shoot studio.
to have each other's playlists. No, no. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week.
That one's very fantastic.
Again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're over. Hands under covers alone.
Does she respond to her name? No, she can change it. Okay.
But everything I see still
So she's like
reminds me of
playful
you.
and
Back
the
over
yeah. So she loves to play, especially with other cats.
Mm-hmm.
And like I said, that's sort of her favorite.
we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. We belong together, me and you forever.